everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing dull, tired skin? Do you dream of that radiant lit from within glow, but just can't seem to achieve it? Well, today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that's about to completely transform your skincare game. We're diving deep into two powerhouse ingredients that, when combined, create pure magic for your skin: vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So, what's all the buzz about? Let's start with vitamin C. We're not just talking about any vitamin C. We're talking about a potent 20% concentration. Why is that important? Vitamin C is a rockstar antioxidant. Think of it as a shield for your skin, every day. Your skin battles environmental stresses like pollution and UV rays. These create free radicals, which are nasty little molecules that cause premature aging, fine lines, and dark spots. A powerful 20% vitamin C serum neutralizes these free radicals, protecting your skin and helping to brighten your complexion by fading hyperpigmentation and evening out your skin tone. It's like an instant boost of radiance in a bottle. But wait, it gets even better. Now, let's bring in its perfect partner, hyaluronic acid. If vitamin C is the shield, hyaluronic acid is the ultimate hydrator. This molecule is a moisture magnet. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. When you apply it to your skin, it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin cells. This gives you that plump, bouncy, and deeply hydrated look and feel. Dehydrated skin can look wrinkly and dull, but with hyaluronic acid, your skin is quenched, fine lines are less visible, and your skin barrier is stronger and healthier. So, what happens when you combine a potent 20% vitamin C with hyaluronic acid? You get the ultimate power couple for your skin. The vitamin C works on the surface and within the deeper layers to protect and brighten, while the hyaluronic acid floods your skin with intense, lasting hydration. Together, they tackle dullness, signs of aging, and dehydration all at once. The result? Skin that's not just brighter, but also smoother, plumper, and visibly healthier. It's the 1-2 punch your routine has been missing. If you want that dewy, youthful glow, this combination is non-negotiable. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.